Ensure that the pre-assembly device is operational. For more information, please refer to the respective operating instructions of the pre-assembly device. Insert the appropriate tools into the pre-assembly device. The machine automatically configures all assembly parameters by means of the integrated RFID chip in the pre-assembly sleeve. The machine is operational when the confirmation button on the display is pressed. Provide the cutting ring with suitable lubricant to facilitate assembly. Push the union nut and the cutting ring over the end of the tube, one after another. Start the pre-assembly process. Now remove the pre-assembled tube. A visual inspection is mandatory after each pre-assembly. To do this, loosen the union nut and check the raised part of the collar. The cutting face must be at least 80% covered. The cutting ring is allowed to rotate on the tube. Check the molded seal for possible damage and replace if necessary. Remove any soiling before final assembly.